Real numbers. When we say that something is real, we talk about something that exists. Such as when someone asks your scores in the exam, you'll tell them that you got 75 on 100, 85 on 100, 95 on 100. Or when you're asked to describe the temperature right now, well, I'll say it's 45 degrees Celsius. That is when I'm using real numbers. Knowingly or unknowingly, we're always using real numbers. To sum it up, real numbers are all the measuring numbers. That is, all the numbers we use to measure quantities. Also, all the real numbers that exist can be represented on a simple line like this, which is called the number line. This never-ending line is simply a line on which all the real numbers are marked, and each point corresponds to a unique real number. Just like the unique combination of each latitude and longitude gives the exact location of a place, each and every point on the number line represents a unique real number. The best part about this number line is that it also helps us in comparing numbers. If we take 0 as the reference point on the number line, all the numbers to the right will be positive and all the numbers to the left of 0 will be negative. Similarly, if we add a number to any point on the number line, we will need to move to the right to get a bigger number. And if we subtract a number, then we need to move left to get a smaller number. Now, the infinite size of this number line contains many different types of real numbers. There are obviously the counting numbers or the natural numbers represented by the capital letter N on the number line. Now, these are numbers which came naturally to us humans, so that we could count the number of things around us, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. But then came the concept of nothing, and we started using the number 0 to represent it. Once 0 was discovered, mathematicians thought that the entire number system was complete, and thus the entire set of natural numbers along with 0 came to be known as whole numbers. These are represented by the capital letter W. Very soon, we also discovered negative numbers on the number line. Thus was born the concept of integers, which we represent with the capital letter Z. Now, these negative numbers are nothing but the additive inverse of the positive numbers. If we observe the integers, we need to jump to move from one number to the next. But what if we move along the number line? The regions between any two integers are filled by special types of real numbers called rational and irrational numbers. Rational numbers, represented by Q, are those numbers which can be written in the form of fractions of P by Q form. Numbers like 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 100 by 99 are all rational numbers. Even the integers are rational numbers, as -2 and 1 are nothing but -2 by 1 and 1 by 1 respectively. There are other types of rational numbers as well, called the non-terminating recurring numbers, about which we shall learn in other videos. Irrational numbers, or R minus Q, on the other hand, are those numbers which can't be written in P by Q form and are also non-terminating, non-recurring types of numbers. These are your numbers such as √2, √3, and even pi. All these types of numbers combined are what form your real numbers. Again, there are infinite numbers of each type which all add up to our infinite real numbers. So friends, in this video we saw what are real numbers, and we also learned about the different types of real numbers. Until next time, happy learning!